What's going on, everybody? I have got a big surprise. You ain't gonna believe me, so I'll just show you. Arccaptain has sent us out a CUT55 plasma. Let's get into this unboxing so I can show you what's inside. All right. All of that come out of that one little box. That is a beauty. I'm here to say it looks like a toy, but it packs one of the best cutting punches on the market. I'll be using it today. You can see with the cable that it's set up for 110 or 220. I'm going to be using it on 110 on a 30 amp breaker. That gives, that'll give it all its capacity on 110, because the average shop has both, but for just the quickest reference, you're gonna grab 110, I would think. That's what I've always used. But I'll get this thing set up, but you can see by the sticker image, it's gonna have a nice display. Got the ground, got a nice cutting lead, nice tips and guard. I like that heavy duty guard. They sent us some extra consumables with a wrench to get it out. Sent us some handy dandy stickers to stick on everything. There's your hose, lead. I'm telling you, it is lightweight. I mean, it don't weigh less than 8 pounds. It is a beauty. Big, nice cooling fan on the back. Got your on and off switch. Nice heavy duty cable coming out of the back. The machine itself distinguishes what power source it's got when you plug it in, whether it be 220 or 110. This is the type plug that you'll need for your 220. So the regulator, you can see bolts right there. And they send the clamps to go from your hose here to right there. And there you have the back side of it, nice and neat. They send you everything that you need to make the job work correctly. So they really do make everything simple. I really do like that. This thing goes in one way. You can see the notch in the top at the 12 o'clock, and your notch on the machine is at 12 o'clock. Plug it in, screw it up snug. We'll pull this one back out of the way so that you can see what we've got. And then this right here, very nice design. I may take and zip tie that together. And then this right here is just a DIN connection with a notch on it. The notch inside the machine is at the 6 o'clock position. Put it in, give it a snug to the right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's all there are to it. Your wiring connections are connected. All we gotta do is plug it up and see how it comes on. All right, we are ready to remove this sticker and power it on for the first time. Big cooling fan comes on. Wow, tells you right there, 120 volts. So it's setting in mode 4T, and that would be like once you pull the trigger, it will continue to cut until you hit the trigger again. I don't want that. What I'm going to use it in is the 2T mode, where when you click and let off, it clicks and lets off. So it tells you right there on the front what your amperage will be, how much pressure, 30 to 50. It's according on what you're going to cut up to a 1/2 inch. And then down below, if you go to 240 volts, 30 to 70 PSI, you can cut up to 3/4. So I'm on 120, as you can see, and it shows that's wide open. It shows that I'm good for 35 amps. All the way down, so 20 to 35 is the range. I have my air setting with the trigger pulled, is setting at 40. Check out the flame. That is nice, nice. They give you a gracious, plenty lead from the work area. So let's start off with this old heavy stuff right here. See what we can do with that. Wow, that's pretty impressive right there. That cuts through it just like butter. 3/8, easy peasy. Let's try this 1/4 inch. Oh yeah. That's sweet right there. Yeah, you never know. You might have to cut a notch out in something, you know? Well, we know that it cuts thick stuff with no problem. So I would imagine it should cut this old sheet metal pretty easy. It cuts great, guys. Look at that right there, ladies and gents, boys and girls. That is a 1/2 inch all day long. Wow. That made a clean drop off. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed big time. You know, all of us have seen a lot of videos on YouTube about Arccaptain, and that's why I bought their welder, was because of everything. But I have to say, that right there, let me back you up. That right there is impressive. So we know that it'll do sheet metal. We know that it will do 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. They've got just an excellent little setup. Big cooling fan. Nice. I mean, everything's nice. I don't know what else to say. I'm excited. I had a guy call a couple weeks ago, wanting some floor pans cut out of his car and new ones installed, and I thought, okay, I get to try this Arccaptain out. But after seeing what it'll do on these thicknesses of metal, that sheet metal ain't gonna be no issue, none at all. One thing that I would like to see them do is to send that regulator with no fitting. That way a person could put their own fitting in it. I'd like to see that. You can include it in the box, but let us put it on. That way if we want to put our high flow fitting in, we can. And I mean, that looks like a toy, but it's not a toy. It's the dangerous. It's a CUT55, and that one is top of the line. So look at the bright LED. I mean, it's crystal clear. It's easy to read. My vision's not perfect, but that right there is easy to read. They simplified it. It tells you what voltage you're in. I'm sorry, that's flickering. 120, 2T or 4T. And the dial is easy to read. I like that. I mean, really, you can't beat it. It shows you on the front what it can do and what it can't do. The cuts up to 3/4 on 240, but like I said, I don't even have no 3/4. Everything is lightweight. It's got a non-touch starting arc. It's got a what they call a faster, smarter chip design inside that little box. It's just all around good. And you can go to arccaptain.com and type in Chris Goes Body Shop and get a discount on anything from Arccaptain. Arccaptain.com, type in Chris Goes Body Shop, get you a discount, get you one on the way. I like it. I'm very thankful to God that He has given me the ability to do what I do, and to do what I love to do, and to have people that pick me up to give me something at this. I mean, you can't beat that. I praise God for that.